Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating prerequisites. Power BI desktop updated, and you have read access to the SharePoint site. Next, open Power BI and choose Get Data. Select SharePoint Online List or Folder for libraries. Paste the site URL, not file URL, and select Connect. Once done, authenticate with your organizational account and use OAuth. This ensures proper permissions. You do this because site-level queries return structured columns, whereas file-level connections can break with folder changes. Once connected, you load the data into Power Query to shape it. Remove unnecessary columns, convert data types, and expand record or list fields. This prevents errors later. If combining lists, use append or merge with a consistent key. Make sure to trim whitespace and standardize date formats. After loading, define relationships in the model view and build measures with DAX. These steps improve refresh stability and query performance, so your reports stay reliable as data grows. You publish the report to Power BI service and move the dataset into the appropriate workspace. Then configure scheduled refresh. Set credentials, choose an on-premises gateway if needed, and pick a refresh frequency. Make sure to test a manual refresh immediately to surface issues. If a refresh fails, check the SharePoint URL, account permissions, and whether query folding broke after transforms. Clearing cached credentials or updating OAuth consent often resolves authentication errors. Try that before.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.